Let's take a look at the 425 Grand Concourse Apartments in the Bronx in New York. Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing well and welcome back to another Housing Connect video of mine. I wanted to share this complex with you because some people think that these developments are all expensive, but they're not. So I want to jump right into it. This is a development that you could apply for and the lottery ends in 37 days, okay? Let's highlight it so you can see it. So the lottery ends in 37 days, April 11, 2022. So this is the building that you see in front of you, and this is located at 425 Grand Concourse Apartments. Okay, it's in Bronx, New York, and the zip is 10451. Eligible income is at $15,360 all the way up to $192,400. And the household size could hold 1 to 7 people. They have 24 photos, so we're going to click on the photos so you can see. First, what I'd rather do is let's just go into the units. Here are the details. You can read it yourself. You can come to the website yourself. Every time I put up a video, I always leave a link to the website so you can come to it and check it out yourself, okay? So let's take a look at the units and let's see how much they're going for, because anytime they have a lot of units available in one development, it's usually a mixed income. You can have low income, you can have the middle income, and you can have high income. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, this is available units and requirements. Okay, so you know the AMI stands for all median income. All right, so here's the layout. So at 30%, they have studios. They have 5 units available, going at $362 per studio, meaning it's 5 apartments available. Here they have at 30% 1 bedrooms. They have 9 units available, which there are 9 apartments, and they're going for $465 a month. At 30% for 2 bedrooms, they have 9 units, which they have 9 apartments available, and they're going at $569 a month. 30% here for a 3 bedroom. They have 5 units, which is 5 apartments available. They're going at $650 a month. 40% for studio. They have 9 available apartments, which is 9 units. They're going at $522 a month. 40% for a 1 bedroom. They have 18 available apartments, 18 units. They're going for $665 per month. 40% for a 2 bedroom. They have 19 units, which is 19 apartments available. They're going at $809 per month. So as you can see, as the AMI increases, it gets higher. Of course, the apartments are going to be more expensive, but they're going to cost more, right? Because I don't even think $800 a month is what I call an expensive apartment. That's pretty cheap to me. Okay, so 40% for a 3 bedroom apartment, I mean, for 3 bedrooms, and they have 9 units, which is 9 available apartments, going at $927 per month. Now, keep it in mind when they're going, when the units are more expensive. Like, let's just say they have a 2 bedroom for 40%, and then they have a 2 bedroom for 30%. Usually, the one that's a little more expensive, the layout is different, and most likely the apartment is bigger. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're looking at the percentage. Because here you have 40% 3 bedrooms. They have 9 available apartments, which is 9 units for $927 a month. Now we're going higher. 70% for a studio. They have 9 available apartments for $1,000. $3 a month. You see what I'm saying? So the percentage went up, so it gets higher. You can always look to the side. I didn't really want to get into that because you can come to this website yourself, and you can always look at the side and see this thin line going across. That's the cutoff. Because here, with this 3 bedroom, right? Let's see where it starts. Here's the cutoff line right here. So it's showing you 3 people could live in this 3 bedroom apartment. And then you have to look to the right. You got to look at what they want for it. You got to be making at least $37, I mean $37,338 to $42,960 a month. I mean per year. I'm sorry guys, I'm just waking up. Per year, 3 people. 4 people, still the same amount here, $37,338 to now it goes a little higher because now it's 4 people. So it's $47,720 per year. 5 people and so forth, as you can see, so it gets higher. So now for 5 people, the max you can make is $51,560. The least you can make, I guess, is $37,338 per year. 6 people, the max, $55,360 a year. The minimum is $37,338. Now, I'm assuming that's what this means. That's the least you can make. You can't make 37,000 flat. They will not accept it. You understand? So you have to at least make $37,338. Pay attention to these numbers. If your income doesn't fit the bracket, you know you will not be eligible for the apartment. And here, for these 3 bedroom units, 7 people could live in these apartments. And I guarantee you, these apartments are pretty big. They're probably pretty big. I'm assuming they could be big. 7 people. Um, the max between 7 people for this unit for a 3 bedroom is $59,200. Okay, so that's what they should be making at least for that year. Okay, for the year. Okay, assuming here when this price is the same, I don't know if that means that's the minimum all 7 people could make. I could be wrong. I don't want to tell you guys any lies. I do like to be thorough when I'm sharing this information because, like I said, we're all growing and learning together about New York City Housing Connect because I don't really understand. I don't fully understand everything about it, okay? But I'm just showing you here as you go down the AMI list, the percentage it gets higher. So as you can see now for a studio apartment, it's $1,000, but it's 70% of your income. So you gotta be able to pay $1,000, right? 70% for a 1 bedroom. They have 18 units, 18 available apartments, and it's going for $1,265. Trust and believe, when the percentage is higher, for a 1 bedroom that's at 40% and a 1 bedroom that's at 70%, the 1 bedrooms here is bigger at 70%. It's a bigger apartment. Excuse me. It's a bigger apartment. Okay, guys. So the list goes on and it could get pretty high. Now you're at 70% for a 2 bedroom. They have 20 available units, 20 apartments for going for $1,530 a month. Okay, so just scroll down the list. I don't want to read it all off because sometimes I do, but you can come in here and you can check it out yourself. You can see, but I just wanted to prove the point. Look how the percentage went up to 100%. Now for studios, they go in at $1,212 a month, right? And they have 6 available units, and which these are 6 studio apartments, right? 100%. So remember at the very top, they were only going for how much? Let's go back to the top. 30%, they was only going for $362 a month, okay? So as the percentage goes up, it's going to cost more. But I love that in this building, it's a mixed income, okay? So it's a mixed income. You go all the way down. They even go all the way up to 130%. And for a studio apartment now, it's going for $1,532. But these apartments do be very nice. I've seen these units. I've been to some of these developments, and these apartments are beautiful. Okay, you do get a lot of amenities with it. I think it's worth a steal. You know, if you feel you could afford it, go for it. Now at 130% for a one bedroom, they have 23 available units, which is 23 apartments, and they're going at for $1,926 a month. Okay, so just scroll down and you'll see, and there's the max for a three bedroom. They have 11 available units, which that means 11 apartments, and they're going for $2,676 per month. Look at the cutoff. So the amount of people that can move into this three bedroom is three. As you can see, the line, it cuts off not two people, three. Okay, so it starts at three people, and yes, this one is pretty expensive, and you have to be making at least a minimum of $97,303 all the way up until $139,620 a month. I mean a year. This is yearly. I'm sorry. This is yearly, which you have to make. This is the least you could make between the three people, and this is the max you could make between the three people. Now, as you scroll down, you go to four people. Here's the minimum again. I'm assuming for four people, $97,303. Now, because it's four people, they expect you to make more, right? Between the four of you guys, you should at least make $155,090 per year. Five people. Minimum $97,303. Remember, the minimum you can't be under. You can't come to them and say, well, we make 97,000. As you can see, it's 300 extra dollars they expect for you to make. At least an extra $303, okay? So the max that you guys can make between five people is 167,570. That's a lot. Six people, the max, $179,920 per year. Seven people, the max is $192,400 per year. Okay, so this building has a mixed income, and you have a deadline of April, right? Excuse me, the deadline is April the 11th. I will highlight it again if you're interested. April 11th, 2022. So you have a little bit of time if you're interested in applying. I did apply to this unit. So as you can see, application is submitted. This is my application number, which is right here, but this is not my log number. Okay, so I didn't receive a log number for this yet, and this is in the Bronx. And let's take a look at their photos. Let's see what it's looking like. Okay, so this is the building. All right, it's a pretty tall building. I don't know how many floors it go to. Looks pretty nice, right? These are layouts, right? They're little blueprints. Next photo, another layout of a blueprint. So this is inside the building. So as you can see, in one of the apartments, this is what it's looking like. And normally they always have these nice little parquet floors, okay, and these really big windows, okay, large windows. And this is what it's looking like. This looks pretty big. I don't know what apartment size this is, but it looks pretty big to me. Okay, this is inside of the building. You can see inside of the building, the bathroom, okay? And sometimes you come to these websites and you check out their units and you look at their photos. Sometimes the photos are you can't see it. So it's kind of funny, but I guess maybe they just have to go back and fix it. So you can see this is in the kitchen, but it's a small photo. It's real narrow, but you can see it. Okay. I like the layout of this apartment. This looks pretty big. This could be maybe a 2 bedroom or a 3 bedroom apartment. This is definitely not a studio. Does it look like it's a studio? But it looks spacious. That's what I like. Because usually sometimes the photos will show you what unit it is, like if it's a 1 bedroom, a 2 bedroom, or a 3 bedroom, or even a studio, but it's not showing that. But I just want to take you through the photos. Look at the layout. So as you can see, we saw the other kitchen. See, this is a totally different layout. And this is looking really nice. I like this. Okay, they have a fitness area in the building. So that's what comes with the amenities. I didn't look at the amenities. I'll take you to it in a minute. Just want you to see the photos. Now, as you can notice, some of the apartments look a little smaller. So that's why I tell you it's different layouts for the apartments. It could be 2 bedrooms. You could be in 2 bedroom F, and I could be in the 2 bedroom E. 2 bedroom F could be a much bigger apartment than 2 bedroom E. Okay, so that's the way that goes. This is really nice. I don't know if this is a lounge area. It looks like, yeah, like it's maybe like a lounge area in the building. I'm not sure. Okay. Wow. Looks spacious. It looks pretty big because the way the picture is taken. I love these big wide photos. Very nice camera they're using. Yeah, this definitely looks like a lounge area in the building. I'm not sure. That's what it looks like. And here's just more layouts like maps. Okay, and here's a nice view. Maybe out of your window, this is what you see. I'm not sure. I'm assuming. This is in the Bronx. Okay. And I like the way these apartments look. And within the same building, these are more layouts of blueprints. Okay, that's the end of that. So you can see it's a variety of the way the apartments are made. This is the location right here. This is where it's at. And you have a little time to apply. Let's see the amenities. So they have bike storage lockers, bus stop, public transportation access, shared laundry room, a dishwasher inside the apartment, the unit, energy efficient appliances. They have a gymnasium. They have a community center. They have an outdoor terrace. On-site resident manager. Is a smoke-free building, which is an A plus for me. And it has an elevator. Okay. So this place doesn't have pet friendly. So I guess this building doesn't allow any pets. So that's what this is going for, guys. And I just wanted to show you this right quick. If you're interested, apply. I will leave all the links in the description box below in this video. So yeah, so good luck to everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye for now. I thank you all very much for watching my videos. Take care.